Good evening and welcome to Vandana's art class. We are going to learn a simple flower design today. So first we will draw the border. Before we start the border, we will leave 1 centimeter space on all the 4 sides, blank. Okay, because when we get it framed, we need this much space. The framer needs this much space. So 1 centimeter space we are leaving and erase the lines which are here. Now next you draw this 1 centimeter, this one, okay, and then 0.5. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 0.5. Things you need: pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, that's all, and we'll need some brushes and paints and a rug to wipe the brush. Now we'll take our scale and we will mark 1 centimeter here on all the 4 sides, so that our design is symmetrical. So I'm drawing the lines in black color. Now see here, in all the corners I have not drawn any pencil line, and now I'm going to join the points in these points which we drew. 1 centimeter line which we drew, we are going to join and we are making triangles. And on the top of triangles, we are drawing slanting lines. I hope you all can see the So our border is ready, and now we are going to draw the outline of our design. So we will start this tree design from the bottom. Here one branch is going, second branch is going. This is the center part of the leaf. We are going to draw a big leaf. Whose ends are split. Here we are going to draw a flower. This is the design of petals of flower. 3 parts, 1 part, 1 long part and 1 small. Then again 1 small, 1 long and 1 small. 1 small, 1 long and 1 small. Like this will be the design of the flowers. Now here is another small leaf. This is a big leaf. Not very big as the previous one. This is another one. With this, our design's outline in black color is over. This is our design. We are going to paint it now. We are making the border. I am using markers today. I have filled navy blue color or any dark blue color you can use in the triangle downside, and other side I am giving khadi kachni with peacock blue color. So I will follow this pattern throughout. So our border will look like this. I am filling brown color in the stem of the tree. This already has black color outline. We are going to make one flower with pink color. So here we are filling the pink color. Move your hand in one direction only so that lines will be straight. So one flower inside is ready. Now we are giving yellow color. We are filling it with yellow color, and we will use orange color to show the pollen little bit. Now we are going to fill green shades of green in the leaf. We are going to give some background, so I'm wetting this paper. This is watercolor paper. Just in the random manner, nothing systematic. And I'm going to take this very, very light blue color and spread it here and there. So I have given light blue background to my painting. We still have to do the border work complete, and with this our painting is ready. Thank you for watching Vandana's Art channel. If you like, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thanks everyone.